you how these marbles go into this bucket. And this is how much marbles I collected in the jar right now. I'll show you how I collect the bucket.
Whoa, it's going too fast.
Yes, it's fast. That's it. And now I want to show you how it goes 2 by 2. This 2 by 2 was good. Did you know that? And
maybe you should use dark colors so you can see that.
They've all worked so far, Eleni. Oh no, I think I see a hold up.
uh-oh, that one's not working. Uh-oh, this one is the problem. Let me test all of these again. And this is all what I designed with my mother. And my mother's taking the